Hi everyone, welcome to Tungabhadra Network. What is management port? And you are assigning a IP address on management port, right? So switch is a L2 device and you have a management port on switch. And how it will conclude that whether it is a L2 device or L3 device. So lot of people are having confusions that switch is having a management port. In that management port, we are assigning IP address. Then why you call as a switch? They're saying you can call as a router, right? Now I'm going to take L3 switch. This is 3850 switch. Okay, if you see, right? This is 3850 switch, this is 3850 switch, and this switch is having management port at the back end. You see, right? Here, are you seeing MGMT port? Right? Are you seeing MGMT port here, everyone?
Management port.
Right? Management port. So what is management? Front end, right? Whatever the ports you are seeing, right? Those are using for us. We are connecting a laptop, we are using it for human purpose, like whatever the services, internet we are using, you are connected to a CC cameras, you are connected to your laptops, you are connected to your printers, okay? But whatever management port you are seeing, right, this management port is completely different. The function between management port and front end, these ports are completely different. In management port, you are assigning IP address. So in our local area network, right, what is the subnet we are taking? Class C 192.168.0.0. That's what all the management IPs you see here, right? See 0.12, 0.13, 14, 15. So even your laptop's also getting the same IP address. Your laptop also getting the same series IP address through DHCP, right? And you're getting internet connection. Here also, I am assigning manually same series because this IP locally you are able to ping, right?
Yeah.
Locally you are able to ping. So you need to log in the device through SSH. Everyone configured SSH, right?
Yes.
How SSH works? What is SSH TCP number? 22. So how SSH works? It uses TCP. All TCP services, first it will establish a three-way handshake process. If you want to establish a three-way handshake process, you should have a reachability first. What reachability? IP reachability. It means device IP reachability is required, right? That's why they have a separate management port. That management port will act as a WAN, because to log in the device you should have a IP reachability through SSH. Okay, so here in WAN port, here in management port, we are assigning a IP address. That IP address is not at all from this, even router also, even if it is act as a router, right, it has a routing table, but you don't see that subnet in the routing table. It's completely different. The purpose of using management is completely different. It is called OOB access, out of band access also. Management port is just to log in the devices remotely. If you want to log in remotely, you need to configure SSH. SSH uses TCP port number 2022, and then how TCP works? By using three-way handshake process. So if you have reachability, then only handshake will happen, right? Yes or no? So that's why we are using IP address. Okay, SSH and we give IP address, right? We cannot give MAC address, right? So IP should be there for every device. Okay, that IP functionality for login the devices for management. Okay.